The world will try to pull you in, with noise, with drama, with endless urgency. But peace isn't found by fixing the world, it's found by mastering your response to it. You don't have to react to everything. You don't have to answer every message. Not every fire is yours to put out. Some things deserve your silence. Some chaos dies when you stop feeding it. And sometimes the strongest move is to simply stay still. A calm mind isn't weak, it's a warrior's discipline in disguise. You protect your energy not by building walls, but by choosing what gets through. So next time the world spins out, choose stillness. Choose clarity. Choose you. If this gave you something to hold on to, subscribe. Stay grounded with us.